In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can appear offline on Facebook Messenger. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is a super simple thing to do. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is come over to your Messenger app. And then once you've done that, what you need to do is click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead, click on that, and then as you can see under the profile section, there's an option for active status. And if you click on that, show when you are active. If you want to go ahead and appear offline to your friends on Facebook, what you need to do is simply go ahead and uncheck this box here. And then as it says here, you will not be able to see when your friends and contacts are active or are recently active. So it works both ways. If you are appearing offline, you will not be able to see if your friends are also online. So if you want to go ahead and turn this off, just click on turn off to confirm it. And then as you can see, I will now be appearing offline on Facebook Messenger. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.